So first morning here in Whistler, still a little bit tired from all the travelling, but we're gonna head over to the gym. We go up the track and have a look around and show some of the guys, because some of the guys have never been here before, so it'd be good for them to sort of see the track and stuff like that. Hopefully the rest of our kit will get here at some point today. The coach and one of the other guys have driven all the way from Lake Placid over to Whistler, so I think it's like 3,000 miles or something like that. So they've been on the road for the last 4 days or so. So hopefully they'll get here today and then get the rest of our kit, and we'll be able to start getting to a routine and getting the ball rolling really.
Hello and good morning. We're at the track in Whistler. And we're doing some sled work today, so I'm just going to show you some of this work we're doing.
Right, so now Tuesday morning, we're gonna now head up to the track. Pat Brown, our driver coach, he drove up from Calgary all the way up to Whistler with our sleds the last couple of days. So we're gonna head to the track, unload all the sleds, and then it's the first time we're gonna see the foreman that we're gonna be using as well. So we get to sort of see it, get in it, get comfortable with it, see the mothership that we're gonna be using to try and qualify for the games.
New baby's in town?
Yeah, boy.
I think your baby needs some love.
Charging $200 per sled plus tax, so yeah, just come at us.
Alright, we've got our first track walk of the season, so we're going to head down the track here at Whistler. Then I'll hopefully try and show you sort of what we do on a track walk and explain the sort of like the principles of what track walk is. So we do track walks obviously to one, learn which way the corners go, 2, look at the ice conditions, 3, just sort of refresh your memory of sort of what you need to do in each corner, and if you've got problems areas, you can basically look at the corner and sort of try and work out a strategy of how you're going to sort of get through the corner really. So we're going to take a little walk down now and then try and show you sort of what kind of happens on a track walk.
Curve starts here, but we want to start getting in, get that uphill runner on right about here, okay?
And then it's just that straight away, release and let it run. So, because then at the end it's going to want to climb up on you again. So just kind of be free with it in here as long as you're maintaining parallel and staying in the middle. Okay? Okay, because then you get pushed in late and you can roll into the curve. It's not good. Okay?
Effectively, there's like 3 different entrances to each corner. So if you go in on the left hand side, the middle, or the right, then it changes how you steer. So Pat's effectively just teaching us what will effectively happen depending on which direction we go in, so we know mentally when we go down the track how to sort of deal with those situations. So that's effectively what we do on the track walk. That's it, that's track walk. Hope that sort of explains why we do it and what it's all about, but yeah, that's just pretty much what we do. Alright, first day of sliding today. We are about to do some sled prep, so put the runners on and stuff, so let's have a good day sliding. To put the runners on the sled, you got to flip the sled upside down. So there's 2 bullets that come out on the front of the sled. So you pull them out and then you flip it upside down and then you put it on the stand. So that's basically what's happening now.
Speed. Yeah, man. Alright. Speed, I know. Speed. Watch out for a minute. Brake man for. I expect a bit of speed. It's the fastest track in the world, so I expect a bit of speed. It's been a long time since been in a sled, so I expect some fun, a bit of speed, a bit of adrenaline rush, getting a bit pumped, yeah, and then ready for the get to the top soon.
Go get your bag. We're gonna go to the top. This NLC driver. Are you serious? Why is it devil? Huh? Oh, no good run. Yeah, man. Smooth. Like, my almost let go on that time because I think it's like a roller coaster.
I'm just expecting to feel a good amount of speed, but I'm looking forward to the first one of my season, so let's get it.